Dalam, dalam, dalam.
Can't hear your voice.
Yes, betul. Yeah, is it clear, Mr. Tio?
Yeah. Can you hear my voice?
Okay, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Tio.
Is Mrs. Tariana talking?
But I'm so sorry I can't turn on my camera.
Hello, Ibu Ketu. Are you talking?
Ada lagi. Ini sampahnya.
Miss Tariana, I can't hear your voice.
I can't hear her voice either. I just can't hear your voice, Mrs. Lucy.
Can you hear my voice?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, I can hear it now.
Okay. Thank you for your coming, your joining in this class. Tanti, I can hear everybody. Where's Butanti? Butanti, please open your camera.
Bentar.
Ini apa sih?
Ini.
Okay, this is the first meeting. So I'd like to explain or to introduce why and how about this class. So for the first meeting, this class actually to make us be active in speaking English. I hope all the members can speak 100% in English. Even you have some difficulties, I think it's normal. Mistakes are normal, so don't be hesitated to speak English. We are learning here. So don't be afraid and don't be ashamed that you make some mistakes. Okay, we are learning. I'm also learner. So this is our class to practice our English. First of all, I'd like to show you about the class agreement. Okay, okay, I open the Canva first. Actually, I have turn off, and I think I will start it tomorrow. But Alhamdulillah, some teachers come here, and I will open the class again. Okay, wait 4 minutes. Okay, here is the class agreement. Let me share my picture. It's hard to show. Okay, you can add some sentences or some agreement. The other agreement here. Can you see the point of the class agreement?
I cannot see it.
I can see.
Oh, I can't.
Okay.
I can't.
Okay, it's hard. Okay, wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay, can you see the picture?
Not yet, ma'am.
Oh, not yet.
It's not shown yet.
Yeah. Share. Okay, can you see the picture?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
can see this
No,
picture.
I can see it now.
Okay, the first one. Okay, let's have a look. The first one, we speak using English for 100%. I think it will we will find some difficulties, but we can continue by making mistake. I think it's not a big problem. So we try to speak using English for 100%. Then open the camera during the class. I'm afraid that I'm alone. I'm alone, and the other were again
Yeah. Okay.
or went to the other side of the class. So please open your camera during the class. Next, number 3, everybody has or her own opportunity to speak up. So we get what the time to speak like that. And then when a speaker is speaking, the other listen. You can use raise hand when you need something to say. For example, I'm speaking now and you want to something to say, so you have to raise your hand. And be disciplined on time. So I highlight this phrase on time and be participated actively. So I think this class will be useful, will be beneficial for us, for you and for me. So actually I can practice my English because at school rarely we use English in the class. So this is the time, the change for you to speak English. Okay. Anyone to add or to what? To remove or to make some improvement of this agreement? Okay, you can speak up now about the agreement. Patio, maybe you have some opinion.
Okay, what if in the middle of the meeting we have got something to do, so we could leave the meeting before it is finished?
Okay. You can leave the meeting and write it down in the chat box. So I will not where's Patio like that. Wondering where Patio is like that. So you can ask me some permission in the chat box and you write it the reason, for example. So I
Okay.
think it's free.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone who want to give some? Okay, Bu Lucy, do you have some question?
Yes, I want to know about the time, how long we study in our
Okay.
class, speaking class.
Actually, it will be for about 1 hour. This is the first time, so I think it will be shorter. And the members are only one, two, okay, only 4, 5, yeah, with me. So I think it's too limit too little. So too little or too what?
Two of you.
Uh, so I'd like to make this class. Actually, my last semester I taught at Open University. The class consists of 15 students. 15 students for 2 hours. So I'd like to make this class at least 10 or 15 or 20. So I will promote this class, and I hope for next meeting will be more than today. The duration will be 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Lucy. Any question, Bu Pera, or you have some suggestion or any or question, Bu Tanti?
How many times, I mean, how many days in a week we use this meeting?
Okay.
It is 2 weeks.
Actually, my plan will be once a week. Once a week. Once a week for speaking class. But for this speaking 3 based on the syllabus, it will be 8 weeks. 8 weeks and 1 week once a week. Once a week, and it will be ended for about 8 weeks. Okay,
I mean, every week, it is
yeah, every week.
just, I mean, ada work schedule for times or different per weeks. It is just Friday or the maybe next week
Oh,
Saturday or still free day when we are meeting.
well, I think it is based on your convenience or your suggestion.
Time.
I
Oh,
read
okay.
from the group.
Mhm.
Some people said that will be Friday night. So this is the Friday night.
Okay.
About the time we can negotiate and discuss later in the group for next week. Okay,
Thank you.
Pak Tio, do you
Well,
have
I
some
think
question?
okay. Well, I think Friday is a good time for us to have the meeting. Because usually if it is on Saturday, people will be mostly people will be going out somewhere with the family. I think Friday is the right time, and I think we make it fixed. So do not change the day. I think. I think Friday is a good time to start the meeting.
Okay. At night or in the evening or afternoon, for example, or morning?
Maybe
I
at
guess
9 is very.
Oh,
I
at
guess
night.
at night is that's the right time.
Okay.
Okay, yes, I agree.
Everybody has done their prayer. Is a prayer. I think at 8 o'clock.
Okay. So 8 yeah, 8 p.m. will be what appropriate, I think.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. So for next week we have uh the the second meeting at 8 sharp 8 at night, Friday night. Okay,
What will
that's about the class.
what will be the topic of the each meeting?
It is based on the syllabus. I will share what the meeting here from the meeting from UT.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah, this is this is my speaking for the what is it what for apa ya? This is
For the
time
first.
for me to speak English fluently because I can speak English fluently. So I am happy. I am happy if you if you are speaking English because I'm really because in my student in my class I always face my students, so my speaking English is not good maybe.
Okay. That is the same with me, Bu Pera. Dismiss. Okay, dismiss. The same with me. I think the same with others too. That all the teacher at junior high school uh, do not have a big opportunity to speak English at the class, to use English at the class. So I think this is the time for us to increase our knowledge or to increase our competence. Actually, especially in the speaking skill.
In front of the students, I feel I am a good. I'm a good, but in front of you, I am no, I am not good in speaking English. I'm sure.
Sometimes we ask shy, right? When the people ask and then answer what the question.
I
Yeah,
guess
Bu Pera.
the problem is that we do not get used to using the language that we are teaching. If
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
we
yeah.
already get used to using the language that we are teaching, I think we're gonna have a kind of self confidence.
yeah. I try to be. I have self confidence. I try. Yeah, I try. In my
Okay.
school, Miss Yani is very clever. Yeah, Miss Yani is very clever. And now in my school, it is Miss Penny. Miss Penny is a English teacher. She wants to join us. I told her there is a Zoom meeting.
Hmm.
Hmm. And now
Uh,
Pak Agus is not yeah now. So it's Pak Yadi, Bu Dwi, and Bu Siti and Pak Ibrahim now in my school.
oh,
Mm.
Pak Ibrahim, not in the Pasir Jambu?
It's not Pasir Jambu, P3K.
Oh, oh gitu.
Last English.
Oke.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Bu Pera. So we are not to be ashamed to speak English.
Alhamdulillah.
We are learning and sharing here. I'd like to answer Patio question, but I can share here. So I have shared it in the group about the syllabus. So the first meeting, it's about formal and informal communication. And also we discuss the theme is about deep learning. The second, it's about public speech, formal and informal public speaking. So you can prepare some speech, short speech in the class for next meeting. The third meeting, we have group discussion, and the theme will be some various themes that are what ready to talk today. For example, update topic here, group discussion, and then for fourth meeting we have panel discussion. Okay, there's some differences between group discussion, panel discussion, and for the fifth meeting we have debate. So it's somewhat based on some theme, some topic that I have presented here. And then the sixth meeting we have seminar.
Oh, seminar.
Okay, seminar. The seventh meeting symposium. We practice that this class is symposium symposium event like that. So we do as the real condition in the symposium. And the last one is about public communication. So that's based on the Open University. I have taught speaking 3 for Open University students last semester. I think it's very challenging. And I've got some feedback that the student, Bu, I think I'm very happy that actually for the first thing, the first time they thought that speaking will be very difficult. But then after some weeks, some meeting, they think it's not as hard as they have thought before. So they thank to me, and I also it's very beneficial for me, and it's very helpful for me to practice my English. So I do hope all members suppose that you are my student, right? So don't be or maybe Pak Sutiono will be the tutor, and I am the student. So I think
I
it's
agree with you,
flexible for me.
I agree with you.
I think it's flexible for me. It doesn't matter. So and not big problem for me. So we just share and learn together here in the community.
Community,
Okay.
yeah, community of the speaking, yeah.
And I have something to suggest.
Okay, please.
Well, what if in the meeting I guess the meeting that we gonna have seems to be serious, right?
Yes.
Okay, and my suggestion is, what if the let's say we also talk about the problems that on-hand problems. On-hand problems. The problems that we experience in the classroom. Let's say how to
Mm-mm.
make
Okay.
the students dare to speak in English. And then what is it, the problems that we encounter in the classroom, so we can discuss it here. So it is a really a hand-on problem. It means that the problems that we experience every day in the classroom. Let's say
Okay.
maybe you have some approach, or maybe you have some method in teaching, let's say, in teaching narrative text or things like that. So everybody maybe has their own ways of giving the presenting the material, so that the student will be, let's say, mastering what we are teaching, like that.
Okay, thank you, Patio. That's wonderful suggestion. Actually, the team are free based on the need. So when I taught with the student at UT, it's about early marriage. It's related to them. So I will change my theme relate to our topic. For example, teaching like that. You what you have what said before. Uh, the the real practice of teaching English that makes the student active, for example, and the strategy or media that probably some teachers have some meaningful or interesting strategy that they they do in the class, and we don't know about that, so we just share like that. So thank you for the suggestion. uh, and actually today our agenda today it's will discuss about deep learning. So anyone who wants to speak about what do you know about deep learning, our new approach. Actually, It's not new. I have got some subject when I was in the what UPI about Michael Pulan. Okay, Pak Tio, I I think you had also about Pulan, yeah, Michael Pulan, deep learning, meaningful meaningful approach like that, and then what is it? Yang meaningful, joyful,
Mindful,
and
mindful.
mindful.
Mindful,
Okay, that is
meaningful,
the what the three characters of the deep learning. Sok Bulusi, please tell me
Yes.
your understanding.
About deep learning, I think, yeah, as you say that it's not new. Uh, I have experience when I got uh, apa, teachers move teachers move education. Uh, we talk about I study about uh, mindfulness gitu ya. They are topic of mindfulness, how we teach our student, not only teach, not only share our knowledge, but it can be in fact gitu ya, to our student, uh, not only in the class, but it also can impact in uh, their life, in their family gitu ya. It's become a habit for our student gitu ya. Just for example, for class 7 in the first meeting, we teach about introduction. We teach about checking. I'm so sorry, yeah, it's noisy.
Okay, you can
Uh,
do your
yeah, because I have yeah, children still little and they are so yeah, still apa active.
Okay, thank you, Bu Lucy. Now I'd like to hear about Bu
Me,
Tanti, your voice.
yeah.
Bu Tanti, what do you think about deep learning?
Deep learning, I don't know, but maybe it's just activity before we are teaching in class, and then and deep learning in my school have not have I mean apa ya, belum diterapkan in for this
Been implemented
implemented. Maybe next years, I mean,
next academic year?
yeah, and we use this deep learning. So
Okay, thank
it is
you.
same with K13, right? Like that, I think. When we use before, I mean, before we activities in school in class, we use how to use daily activities like praying, like, and then yeah, something like that maybe.
Okay,
Thank
thank you. How about you, Bu Pera?
Oh yeah. Uh, in deep learning is deep learning. There are meaningful learning, and joyful learning. There are is studying based on the character in order to be high to studying in that is the gagasan apa ya gagasan tuh ya
Idea.
idea and mindful learning based to the theory. Meaningful learning based of how to teach, and joyful learning is to be happy for the student.
Okay,
uh,
thank you, Bu Pera.
yeah.
Now, the last, Patio, what do you think about deep learning?
Well, to tell you the truth, actually, I haven't explored more about what deep learning is. I haven't explored it, but I just read the articles like that. So I haven't known much about that. But I think deep learning is one of the AI technology. Am I right?
Yeah.
Deep learning is one of the AI technology which is developing very rapidly nowadays. That's just the information that I read from the article. So I haven't known much about it. Thank you.
Okay, I'd like to tell my understanding about deep learning. So actually, there are three characteristics of deep learning. As Bu Pera said, the first one, mindful. Mindful here that the student realize what they are learning and why they are learning. So they involve into the learning. They realize they not why I'm doing this. So they have some objectives, or they know about the objective why they learn this like that. So for example, when they practice about introduction, they feel, they realize that it's very important for them, and uh, they take their mind to the activity, not just like the wind, just a wood and nothing. But they realize, they think about what they are doing, and then the meaningfulness, what they are learning, what they are doing in the class have some meaningful for their life. For example, the use of introduction, I think it's deal with the benefit or the usage or the advantages what they have been doing in the learning process. So the process of the learning should be meaningful for them, for their life, and the context relate to their real life. Uh, it's what it have cross relationship with the mindfulness, meaningfulness. So meaningful for them, and in the learning, for joyful learning, they involve in the learning and they are the subject of the learning. The same with the last curriculum about curriculum Merdeka. The student are the subject of the learning. So the teacher here would be the facilitator, the motivator, and other motivator, guidance. The teacher give guidance and motivate them to learn like that. So I think it's not new. Uh, Last curriculum, for example, KBK kurikulum 13, kurikulum Merdeka, I think have the same purpose, that the student will have, the first one is the good characters, and then smart, and also what will be the subject of the learning. That is the point, I think. So here in deep learning, uh, the student would be the main actors of the learning. So deep learning is not so far from the active learning, contextual teaching learning, CTL. Okay, have you remember about CTL, contextual teaching learning, and also meaningful learning, CBSA. CBSA, apa? CBSA, what is stand for? Siswa aktif, cara belajar siswa aktif. So that is deep learning. So in deep learning, it's look like we come to the last session again. Come to the before curriculum Merdeka, and also take the curriculum Merdeka. So some mixture here, from KBK, curriculum Merdeka. I think about CTL, cooperative learning will be useful for deep learning. So I think it's not something new. So it is improvement, I think. And then for deep learning, there are we know that we have profil pelajar Pancasila. In deep learning, there are no profil Pancasila, but profil pembentukan karakter, and with eight characters. So I think I haven't read fully about the theory, so I will share to the group what I have got from Wakakur. Wakakur wakil kurikulum last week. Okay, Pak Setiono asked me, is it deep learning strategy, curriculum, or method? So deep learning is approach. It's not curriculum. We can use what the last curriculum like Kurikulum Merdeka, but it's not said Kurikulum Merdeka. Now some people say that we have implemented Kurikulum Nasional. Deep learning is an approach, not curriculum. So we from deep learning, our purpose today to make student good behave and good smart. What is it called in agama? Insan sehat, cerdas, iman, bertakwa, like that. So the best character that we are going to gain from this approach. I think the time is out. I think the time is up. So for the last words, I'd like to thank you very much to say my great attitude for you who have attend this Google Meet. I hope next week you will be participated. You will participate in this in this Zoom, in this Gmeet again.
Next
Okay.
Friday. Next Friday
Next Friday at 8.
at 8. Yes.
Okay.
God willing.
Thank you very much.
Insyaallah, insyaallah, you're welcome.
Inshallah,
Yo,
yeah.
Vera Bulusi.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Yeah.
do hope that other teacher will come
Join.
this class. Okay.
Yeah, the
next,
more the merrier. The more the
Okay.
merrier.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. You can leave the class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow.
Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Public policy, PR, public relations, public communication, PR.